Let's go to Ceramic King. All right, so I'm going to show you the I'm just going to show you the little chat widget. It's here on the end. It's new, and so we're just going to go over this real quick. This is how you install it inside the website real quick. So it's basically on already. You can change the image, or you can change, what do you want the intro message to say, and then the widget window. Have a question. You can customize all this stuff. Basically, you don't have to do anything if you're ready. If you don't want to change anything, I just change the image, and then you want to put your contact support number, which is basically your Twilio number, and then you can change this if you want. You hit save, and then you just go hit get code, and then this code, just copy all that, and then you're going to go inside your funnel or your website, click the one you want, hit settings, and then here on it says body tracking code. I already put it in there already, but underneath this Google tag, you can just paste it in here, and then you can hit save. And then now if you go to the site, it looks like this. It'll pop up. It'll pop up like this. And then it's populating my information, but that's it. And then it'll send it into a conversation like this. I just did a test, and then so it'll send it in there. So if it's some random person, it's going to come up as an opportunity. Let's see. No, it's not. It's not coming up as an opportunity. I'm sorry. It's just going to come up as an unread message. So you could answer the message, move on, add them to the campaign, and do all the stuff if you'd like. So that's how that works. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.